Hello guys and welcome to How to Tutorial. So today in this video, I will show you guys how to change your ActiveCampaign password. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a preferred web browser and under search tab type ActiveCampaign.com and enter. And log into your ActiveCampaign account. And once you're logged in, on the left hand side, you can see this setting option right here. Click on it. Here you will get to see your account information. Now scroll down to the very end until you get to see this password setting. Now here, first of all, what you need to do is on the text box, give your current password, and on the new password text box, enter your new password as you prefer. And after you do this, click on this Save Settings button right here. You will be notified about your setting change. Now again, you will have to log in with your new password. If you try to log in with your older password, then you will not be able to log in. Now enter your new password, and after you do this, click on this login button right here and you will be logged in. So as you can see that I have logged in and I'm able to access my ActiveCampaign account here. So this is how you can change your password on ActiveCampaign. I really hope that you guys find the video helpful and like the video. If you guys find the video helpful, then do not forget to like and subscribe the channel. Also hit the bell icon to stay updated.